Are you ready for Monday, EHANG investors, hunters? How are you doing? Hopefully, I have really nice weekend, and I have really important level by today for EHANG, and by Monday, what's the price will be rejected, or we actually bounce from this hard resistance that we actually tested so many times in the week before. So before we go in the video, please like, comment, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you never miss any of my future update, daily update with the Trading Jesus. As always told you guys, be patient and let's hunt for the right price value at my channel. No BS, no editing, straight to the chart, straight to the information. So let's dive right to it. As I told you guys in the previous video, I told you guys the price value for EHANG is around 32, and we actually dipped about below the 32, and guess what, we got back really fast, guys, with this wick. Boom. You see, guys, when you see this wick below the 32, is mean like there's a lot of smart money actually buy at this level, and they know that EHANG at this level, they actually put buy limit here, buy stop even. Boom, and the price jumped almost, look with me, let me try to calculate it, just 17%, guys, in just one candle. This is crazy. Now the price got massive rejection, as I told you in previous video, here around this resistant area around $40, guys, and we actually get rejected below the $40 at 39. So I bought actually EHANG again at 32, and there is a big chance that we're gonna see this scenario, guys. Look with me, the scenario for Monday, there's two scenarios. The first scenario that I can see, we can see this candle actually forming before we close last Thursday. There's a chance we're gonna see again price test for this level, and we got rejected. If we got rejected again at the $40, we gonna go and even this time we go to test the lower side of the support level at 28 before we get a lot of buying pressure again at this level. So this is the first scenario that I can see for EHANG. Rejection here around the $40, boom, we get back, and this time we go below our support at 30 like before, and we go to 28 if we don't hold this level, and we're gonna see the 28 and do double bottom. But the other scenario, guys, let me clear this for you guys so you can see clearly. This is really important, guys, really important. Pay close attention for those levels. And the other level, guys, because at Thursday we got rejected, but we hold at this level, a really important level, guys, here around the $35, guys. This is a really important level. If we see below the $34 is really bad news, and we're gonna see actually dropping the price below the $30. So we're gonna hold above the 34, guys, $34 by Monday, in order to us to actually retest the $40, really important level at 40, guys, really important. Let me highlight it and to see exactly what we're gonna expect by Monday. Boom, this one's really important here at this level. So what we want to see, the next scenario, the second scenario, if we actually got boom above the $40, and our friend here will act as a resistant. But if we actually broke it, and we broke our resistance at $40, and we have a closing candle above the $40, this is really important, guys. We need boom a closing candle above our resistance level, about the $40. This is really important, guys, really important. Never jump in the trade until we see a confirmation for a price, because as we can see, look with me, the price actually been wiggling and doing actually lower low from the massive rejection, the massive dump we got after the report from the short sellers, and boom, look with me, boom, and we trending down, down, up, or we do higher, then boom, lower low, and we actually still trending down, guys. We still trending down here. Almost, this is actually the moment of truth I told you guys in EHANG and 12th March. If we actually close above the 56, we gonna see a big, like I told you, the big W. That's, we have a big breakout at this level. In order to have this breakout, we need to close above this level. I told you guys, even highlighted here, I told you guys, if we just close about the 54, our resistance level, we're gonna see a big breakout, because we actually forming the W, and this W actually never actually finished, because I told you guys we need this level, boom and boom, and here to actually have our breakout. But unfortunately we didn't get it. Now we have another try to actually finish this W with this level, boom and boom, and we are still at 39. We need to test again the 54, and we close about the 54 in order to actually have our W finish, and boom, we actually go to see even the 100. But now, guys, really important level to watch out for here. Don't actually wishful think and have bias. Like if you invest, everybody have a bias, because you invest in the stock. So if you don't want to have a bias, we need just a confirmation first here at above the 40 in order to actually see a test again for the 54 and for our breakout and see the all-time high. But first at 95, then we're gonna see the big explosion happen if we have a close candle above the 54, guys. This is really important. But in meantime, we need to see pay close attention for the level $40. We need a closing candle. If we get rejected, as I told you guys, big chance that we're gonna see the 28 again. But first we're gonna see the 32, hold up for 32. If we got rejection and we got a candle here closing here below our 32, because here we never actually see a closing candle, just a wick. But this time, if we got rejected here and we got a closing candle here, we're gonna see a lower low and test for the double bottom at $28. So guys, if you like the video, like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Daily video updates, so hit notification bell so you never miss any of my future update. Daily update with the Trading Jesus. As always told you guys, never FOMO and always hunt for the right price value. So hopefully you have a nice weekend, and see you guys by Monday tomorrow, when we gonna see some green, and let's hunt it together, guys. See you in the next video.